Hello viewers, welcome to the channel Amazing Civil Engineering Studies. In today's video we are going to discuss about how to draw a house plan by hand. First, draw the plot area on the sheet and deciding the requirement. Following are the requirements of the basic house. 1 kitchen, 2 bedroom, 1 drawing room, 1 bath plus W/C, 1 storeroom, 1 dining room, 1 parking for car. Draw a house plan by hand step-by-step guide. First, prepare a rough bubble diagram indicating the probable location of the various rooms in the plot area. From that, prepare the line plan for a residential building before preparing the detailed sketch, because alternative line plans would give scope for comparison by making changes in the size of some rooms according to the owner's requirements. While preparing the sketch plan, the line plan with reference to the site plan, shape of the plot, north direction, direction of the prevailing wind, main road, and view of surroundings, etc. should be kept in mind. The sketch plan should be prepared on a tracing paper. Beginners may keep a graph below the tracing paper. This will help them to save a lot of time. Wall thickness, area of each unit, name of the down location of sanitary units, staircase, flight of steps, landing up and directions, passage width, position of doors and windows, columns and beams, entrance gate, compound wall, path from gate to the building. Chadges and canopy projections should be clearly mentioned in the sketch plan. Draw all exterior wall lines as light lines by using a 2H pencil. The thickness of the wall should be drawn as per given. Framed structures may have external walls of 230 mm thickness and internal walls of 150 mm thickness. Normally 150 mm thick wall including plaster both sides. Oregon 200 mm thick wall excluding plastering is better than 230 mm thick wall with plastering. Similarly, a 100 mm thick wall excluding the plaster thickness is better than a 150 mm thick wall with plastering with reference to strength. Load-bearing structures will have 200 mm to 300 mm thick walls. Any wall having a thickness of less than 200 mm cannot be a load-bearing wall. Study clear internal dimensions of the rooms and draw lines for internal walls with wall thickness. For public buildings, doors and windows open outside. Hence doors, windows, and ventilators are aligned to be flush with outside. For residential and private houses, they open inside and the door, window, and ventilator frames must be kept in flush with the inside of the wall. This is to create a full swing of the shutter and maximum clearance through the opening. Study the movement in the house from one room to another room or passage through the door and show the shutter with the direction of opening by the symbol. Plan door openings judiciously. No shutter should partly or fully block the opening of another door or window. The space between two adjacent door openings automatically becomes passage, and passage should be always free. Draw kitchen platform, sink, built-in cupboard, WC pan, commode, wash basin, staircase, front and rear steps. Veranda column should not obstruct the full view of the main entrance door or the window of the drawing room. Projections from walls as sunshades, porches, and beams from the veranda column which are above the sill level of windows are to be shown in dotted lines. Draw extension lines and dimension lines on all sides. Write clear room dimensions as per the line plan, first along the horizontal axis and next along a vertical axis on the drawing sheet. In the case of framed structures, center to center and overall dimensions should be shown. Take every care while choosing the correct place for writing dimensions and names so that they are quite legible and not crowded, and should never go conventional symbols signs out of the room. They should neither go unnoticed nor get eclipsed by. The overall dimension of the side must tally with the sum of dimensions in series along the direction. The overall dimension of all the four sides of the building, including offsets also if any, should be mentioned. How to draw a house plan by hand. Draw a line of 5 mm height, roughly at the center of the room for the title. Write a complete specification for doors, windows, and ventilators. The arrows to indicate an object should point from the description to the object and not from object to the description. Scale for plan should be written as 1 cm equals 1 meter but not as 1 m equals 1 cm, i.e., it should be a fraction but never more than 1. The plan is generally drawn to a scale of 150, 1:100 or 1:200 as per the size of the building. Go for conventions and symbols for stone masonry, brick masonry, wood, and concrete works and G.L. etc. only after dimensioning and indicating names. Conventions must be in lighter shade compared to the main drawing, drawn with 2H pencil. The hatching or the other conventional signs should never conceal the dimensions or letters or any other details. Thanks for watching. For now, please subscribe, like, share and do not forget to press bell icon.